you will start lesson and you will open lesson classroom. And this is where the magic happens. So, do you see the link below? https://platformoctb.us. So click this link, copy it, and open a new tab. This is the link that you will send at the beginning of the class to the student, right? So this is what they will see once they click this link, right? Right now it's nothing. So let's go back to our platform. Let's click on conversation, enable conversation. And this is where your skill of typing really fast will come in handy. So let's start typing. I will just say, I'll make some sentence, okay? And you'll just type as you hear me. Don't try to correct me, just type it as you hear me. Hello, my name, Vladimir. I from Russia. All right, click that and click enter. No, just enter, click enter, perfect. Now, let's switch back to the other tab. The one you have to your right, the tab that we just sent to the student. Look at that. Everything you just typed has appeared on for them to see. So now let's go and make a simple correction. So let's go back to the platform. All right, let's click on corrections in the top left corner. All right. So how do we correct? We want to take things out that are wrong, and we want to add things that are needed to be added. So click on that sentence. All right. Put, what would it be? My name is, right? So what would you do? You know, all the corrections have to have brackets around it. When you add something, you have to do brackets. So put space, bracket, not parentheses, bracket. It's to the right of the letter P, without a shift. P. Okay, put is, close bracket, click out of the cell. Let's switch back to the other tab and take a look at what happened. My name is Vladimir. Let's add M again. Let's go back there. Perfect. And look at that. As you did that, the platform analyzed these mistakes, and it gives a clue for you or prompts you how to explain them. So click on verb to be, the little blue thing. Boom. Click on present simple. Boom. There is no, I'm not sure about syntax or vocabulary. All right. So let's click on the tab, the other tab again, and take a look at what happened. Boom. Look at this. So the student is right away able to see how he was understood, what corrections he needs to make, and then he will be able to do to see what type of mistakes he makes. So let's go back and let's do one more, and now we're gonna take something out. Let's go to conversation again. So and you can toggle back and forth between those two tabs. Basically, the only reason for it is because you will have, the way you will do the lessons is you will structure it in about 10 to 15 minute increments, right? During the first 10, 15 minutes, you will have a conversation. And that's when you will transcribe everything the student says. And then in the last part, you will make the corrections, all right? So you don't run out of time. We break it out in 10, 15 minute increments. Usually when the lesson lasts 90 minutes, you will do it like that. So this is pretty much it in essence of how the lessons are conducted. And that's why we don't expect any experience. All we believe that 90% of learning is done through conversation. We believe that just because you are a native speaker or close to a native speaker and you're able to engage people in a conversation, that makes the difference, 90% of the difference, right? The rest of it is the this typing and correction aspect, and I already explained why it is important. So now you will click Finish Lesson
Finish lesson.
at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Select how was the lesson. Great. Was Bianca present? Yes, she was. Most of it, at least. Finish. Boom. So that's it. Now this lesson is submitted and it will be paid at your hourly rate. Actually, this particular lesson, because it's 30 minutes, it's going to be paid not at your hourly rate, it's going to be paid at $6, right?
Yes.
But that was your opportunity to meet with the student, to convince them that this is the way to go, to showcase how the lessons are conducted,